Watch me make this Crown Royal black cake. Now, this cake is going to serve approximately 25 people. Right now, I am adding some lines on the cake. You will see its purpose here shortly. Now, I'm going to put a link to the extruder that I use to make these little fondant lines, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is do this all the way around the cake where the lines are needed. And once I am done, I'm actually going to cover this cake with fondant. So I'm covering the cake right now with fondant. You can see where I place those lines underneath. This gives the cake a little bit more of a 3D effect. You can place the lines on top of your fondant after you do it, but I prefer this way. I think it looks a little bit more like the actual bottle. So once I work all the little grooves in and I get it to pop as much as I want to, I will go ahead and remove my excess fondant, guys. Next, this is my airbrush gun. That's where I put the food coloring. That's where it comes out. Okay, right there. It's a tiny little needle. It moves. Right here is my trigger. That is what I use to pull back whenever I want more color to come out. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start at the bottom of my cake because this part will be covered up. So once I get the color like I want, I go ahead and start airbrushing my entire bottle, you guys. Now, I need highlights. I need depth whenever I put color on cakes. So you'll notice that I'm using a darker color. So I will go in, add some darker shadowing on the cake. I will use a little bit of a lighter color again once I get done with this. And once I'm happy with it, well, that's it. My next step after I get the color on the cake, I'm actually going to add the label that goes around the neck part right here. Okay. Now these are edible images right there. There is the top part, the main part. Now I'm adding black fondant. Okay, this is going to serve as the Crown Royal bag. Okay, that popular bag that they have. Of course, it's Crown Royal black, so that's why the bag is black. Now, I've already added my stitching onto the bag, but let's add a little bit more detail, okay? Because y'all know I love adding detail on my cakes. So right here, I'm adding the stitching that you would see on the bag. Absolutely love doing this part. This is edible gold that I am using. And next, yes, I have to add that little string on the side, okay? Because it has to look like it. I added the lid super fast. You probably missed it. Don't worry. It wasn't much to see. Now I am painting Crown Royal. Okay, I'm freehanding this on the side of the bag. You guys, here is the final look of this cake. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. I would appreciate it so much, you guys. I can't wait to see your comments on this video. If you are a Crown Royal fan, I hope that you enjoyed it. That is really all that I have, guys. Check out more of my videos. I do have lots of videos where I show behind the scenes. I talk about the cakes and just show you some little tricks that you can do if you decide to make one. Love you guys. Have a great day.